The other thing that helped really, as importantly as the other things, is that we made sure that he was able to have a communication system. So again, our son was nonverbal, and he had up to 5 communication systems that he would use in different locations. So the therapeutic component of that was that he was able to say when he was finished, when he needed to leave a situation, when he needed to tell somebody he needed to see the doctor. He could also tell jokes and fabulous things with his communication, but it was one of those interventions that became very powerful for him. Sign language was his primary way of communicating. It was since he first was recovering from a catastrophic illness that began our journey with disability. So he used sign language, and then we started using picture symbols in a way that was letting him know what was coming. That turned into a schedule so that he could predict what was coming. We found that picture schedule was one of the most powerful things for him. So it was a strip of poster board with packing tape and then pictures across his day so that he would know what was coming next. We found that was a great help for him. He didn't always agree what was happening in his day, and he would change those out, and that was an interesting conversation many, many times. He also used a device called a GoTalk, which is a picture symbol based voice output device. So you can program it in with your own voice, and it says up to 100 things. From there, he worked on using a dynamic display. It was called a chat PC. That was a long time ago, but it was a dynamic display similar to what an iPad would be today with an external speaker. He also used communication boards and individual communication buttons that would say things throughout the house. So he could be anywhere in the house and say, I need your help, or come and look at this, or that is ridiculous. So he had a variety of things to help him throughout his day.